how to make your Snapchat dark mode. So if you want to make your Snapchat in dark mode, right, it is actually quite very simple for us to do so. All we have to do is go ahead and then launch Snapchat. So currently you can see we're on the lighter theme. So what if you would like to switch to a darker theme? Well, in order to switch to a darker theme, just tap on the Bitmoji avatar located at the top left of the screen. Once you tap there, this is the option you will see. Then at the top right hand side, you can see the gear icon, which is the settings icon. So just make sure to tap on it. Then when you tap the settings icon over there, you want to scroll down and you'll find the option that says app appearance. So make sure to tap on the app appearance button. Then as and when you've done that, you'll see this type of option right here. You can see match system, always light or always dark. So you can do whichever option you prefer. But since you want to switch to a darker theme, select always dark. Then tap the restart now button, and now you can see we're successfully in the darker theme of Snapchat. So I hope that this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end, and see you soon in our next video.